Got the cops going on in the corner over there. As I said that, they all turned around and looked at me. What's going on, YouTube? Good morning on a very chilly morning. So I apologize if my voice sounds all muffled up. I am wearing like 7 layers of clothes because it's bloody cold. So in case you're wondering why I'm putting myself through this torturous ride, I am on the way to get new tires. What you doing, cuz? You're stopping. You're going. I put a post on Facebook asking for advice on new tires. Boy, have I gotten responses on that. Got a Mustang. Rebecca driving the Mustang. If I was any good at trials, those 3 concrete pillars look like fun. What is sticking out of this guy's car? It's a shelf. Oh my word, that wind is fresh. You're not gonna stay in your... Hoping to get some burnouts done on this old tire. Have a little fun with it before I get rid of it. But I don't want to take any chances too far from where I'm getting it changed, because then I'm going to have a problem getting the bike there. Spoiler on the roof of that car served no purpose. Through the red light. I am making this ride a lot longer for myself because I'm not too fond of riding on the freeway. Our freeways can get rather unpredictable, and I don't want to take that kind of chance. Ugh, but I'm happy to stop for a little bit and bask in the sun, because boy is it fucking cold. Watch Stop Street. Hands are so cold. To drive down. Got some flight school. Got an heli choppers. I really have no idea where I'm going. Feel like this might be the right road, so we're gonna give it a chance. I don't know. Nah. Can we cross there? Fuck. I can't cross that road because there's like a goddamn ravine. Oh my word, where the hell am I gonna turn around? I should have taken my chances with that ravine. Should probably pull over at some point and get directions from my phone. Look at that building. It's quite the mosque. Let's pull over in there and get some directions. I got a feeling we're close. It's quite a fancy area. Looks like a left and a left. Sorry. That car came out of nowhere. Next one. Alright, well, we're here. Let's get this done and over with. Oh, well, we're back on the bike. Brand new tires. Gotta take it easy. No wheelies or burnouts or sliding or none of that shit. That is quite the mosque. I really hope the camera can capture that. It's elaborate. Look, it's like 2 hours later and it's still cold as hell. I know it's a really wimpy thing to say, but it's freezing cold. Like the sun is shining, but it's doing nothing. And the chill in the air is, must be about 5 degrees colder. My shoulders are getting all tensed up. Oh, this is not good. It looked a lot worse than it really is. I hope no one's hurt. So we just kind of got to embrace the cold and be one with it. The more I fight it, the more I shiver and the more I tense up. So while I was at the tire place, I've been seriously considering putting street tires on my pit bike with the intention of making the pit bike maybe a street legal machine. I don't know what this is going to prove. Come on, doggy. Go home, doggy. Sorry. I wonder what they're doing. Didn't look when it changed its lane. Very common occurrence. Just kind of got to be ready for it. So, if anyone is wondering what tires I ended up getting, it was a set of Michelin Radial Street Pro 2, something along those lines. I was looking into getting a set of Pirellis, literally double the price. So that was a no-go. And it's one size up on the rear from the stock Metzlers that came with the bike. So I've gone from a 150 to a 160 in the rear. I'll be honest, I can't really tell a difference. The tires are brand new, so I am driving like fairly cautiously. They feel like they're quite hard. It's hard to really notice anything different because I haven't been able to really test it. And like I said, they won't let me do wheelies until these are broken in. I'm gonna put the wheelie practice on hold for like, I don't know, 100 Ks or so. I've never actually like just stood up and ridden. I'm needing to give my leg a break. I don't know why, it's like feeling a little crampy. And I think that's got to do with tensing up and fighting the cold. Yeah, so I don't know why, but I feel like stand-up wheelies would be a lot easier. Almost home. Glad to get home and just relax. It was quite a lengthy drive this morning, and now on the way back. It was a drive, but we came right nonetheless. I'm gonna do it. Guy, your cards are gonna blow away. We're home, guys. My back is sore, it needs a break. Pit bike, getting a little bit of a makeover. Trying to clean the carb and put a new air filter on. Look at that baby little air filter. And the pit bike graphics. I'm home, I'm out. Peace.